Today brings a new product. It has a very sturdy storage bag. It can hold other accessories. Good texture. Here's the list. 90 degrees can stand up screen. Roller adjustment parameters. If you do not have other tools, you can use the line to insert directly. You can select the power supply mode. Let's power the LED first. You can freely and precisely adjust the output of voltage and current. You can press and hold the switch button to enter the curve screen and view the curve changes in real time. There is also a data set where you can edit the preset parameters you need, a total of 6 sets of voltage and current presets. Press and hold the home button to access the menu. Each parameter can be adjusted. And system settings. There are language and theme switches. It's a great product. What do you think?